Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can enable coupon discount in your WooCommerce website. So if I scroll down and here you can see these are the few products that are listed here. So now let's see how we can add coupon discount. So first of all, let me go here in website dashboard and make sure that you have installed WooCommerce plugin. After that you can go to WooCommerce settings. Then here you can see there is no option for the coupons. So now let's go to settings, then scroll down, and now you need to enable this option, enable use of coupon codes. Then scroll down and click here save changes. So now let's go back in website dashboard and reload the page. So now here you can see coupons option. And now we don't have added any coupon. So now let's go and click here add new. So here we need to add coupon code. For example, let me add this one, enable, and scroll down. Here you can add some description. Then you can enable percentage discount, fixed card discount, and fixed product discount. So you can select any of the option. Let me select this one, fixed card discount. For example, if I add here some amount 40, then you can add expiry date. So for example, let me add here 30. So this coupon code will be valid before 30. And you can go to usage restriction. So you can also add here advanced rules. Then scroll down. You can include and exclude the products, as well as you can include the product categories. For example, let me select these one by one. So now I have selected all the categories. Then scroll down, and now we need to click on publish button. So now we have added one coupon code. Now let's go and check if it works. So let me copy website link and go to in another browser. Now let me open website here and then scroll down. For example, let me select this product. Then scroll down, click on add to cart. Then click on view cart. So now here you can see this one coupon. Let me add here some code. For example, let me add here a wrong code. This is just for testing. Then click on apply button. And here you can see it will not work. So you need to add exact coupon code for the discount. And here you can see it is applied and working fine.